Hello Kelowna, welcome to your Friday. We will see filtered sunshine to start. We do have a little bit of haze sticking around on this Friday morning, but changes are on the way. In fact, a pretty significant weather pattern change is going to happen starting later today and through the weekend. We'll shift to a cooler weather pattern. We will even see some showers pushing in, and here's why. Here's a look at the satellite image, and over the Pacific Ocean you can see circulation around a low. That low is going to direct clouds into our region Friday afternoon, and even a few showers will likely move through the BC southern interior by Friday evening. Don't worry, the weekend isn't going to be all fall-like. Expect sunny breaks on and off through parts of Saturday and into parts of Sunday as well. There will only be a slim chance of a shower Saturday afternoon. On Sunday, we will see increasing cloud once again as another wave of moisture starts to push inland for Sunday night and into early Monday. So your weekend basically will start off a bit showery on Friday night. We'll see some sunny breaks through the middle of the weekend, and then we'll see another round of showers likely on Sunday evening and into Monday. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler. You'll notice temperatures in the low 20s or upper teens over the next couple of days. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. We will talk to you on Monday for your next Kelowna Now video forecast.